Today we are discussing about how to set up scan to folder in IMC 6000 machine. First, create a folder. Right click, new, and folder. Then we will give a name, scan. After this, we give that share access. Go to everyone access, add, select and read and write, share. So now the folder is shared. Now we are going to routing with this folder in our printer. So going to Google Chrome, enter the machine IP address. So this is the web image monitor screen of IMC 6000 machine. So after that we are going to login, administrator login. As default, and login username is admin, password no password. So that after that we are going to device management, address book. Then we create a new user, add user. So now we are going to create folder. So we select folder destination. Go to next. So now my basic informations, name, our name is Jidin. So and Jidin. So go to next. So here we have that give to computer name and share folder name. So if computer name you don't know, otherwise you can give IP address. So this laptop IP address here. This is the IP of our laptop. So just copy this one and double slash here double slash then IP address slash share folder name. Folder name is scan. Here this login username and password we have two options there. One administrator username password will give, otherwise your laptop login username and password we can give. So I'll give our laptop login username and password. And after this, go to next. It's created. Confirm the registration. Okay. It's created. Using folder. So now we are going to test it's working or not. We are going to scan to folder. Okay, select folder here. Our name is here, Jidin. Just put the paper, select the name. If you want to change some settings, option is there. If you want to change black and white or color, file type, resolution, original settings, scan size, file name, density, original orientation, every option is there. If you want, we will select what we require. Then back, going to start. So it will